Hey guys, it's me Amar here, and today I will be giving a tutorial on how to make a door in Roblox. Just to let you know, I did have another version of this video, but it got corrupted, so I gotta make a new version, which you are currently seeing. So, let's just get into it. Also, I'm already in the video, so sorry. But first we got to make the door frame. Also, make sure when you're making this, you have the door parts anchored. Also, before you make anything else, you need to immediately make the hinge. Sorry, I was having trouble talking. But you immediately need to make the hinge, so when later on, you don't have to make it. Oh, oops, I pressed that. So now we gotta make the door. Sorry, I don't know what I was doing. I don't know why I'm making it so precise, because so I'm gonna go ahead. So now I'm going to make the frame a model. So now we gotta put this all together. Group it, then call it door. Okay, after we make the door, then we gotta make some handles for the door. So let's make a new part. Oops. Let's make the part to the door. I'm gonna make this simple, like easily simple, or simple, just simple. Currently, there's no color to the door. Let's see, part. I forgot to anchor everything again. Make this another thing. Name it frame. Make these two things. So you need sorry guys, technical difficulties. But back to the subject of what I was doing. Now we gotta make these parts. Yeah. And name one handle 1 and one handle 2. So then we gotta use the script right here. But sorry, I hesitated. Wait, why is the the frame separated? Never mind, sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm getting myself a headache. Okay, let's continue with this. So first of all, I gotta make a new group, and I know. Okay, let's go back to the thing. Okay, where was I? Okay, wait a sec. What? Okay. Let me fix. Oh, oops! I just went to my Discord. Is this part of the? Oh, I didn't. Okay, I need to make sure to not do that next time. But let me. Now let's see. If you want to have a shortcut, then look at this one. But yeah, these are pretty identical, except I didn't add the script. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the. Wow! Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to copy the script. The script is gonna be in the description. And name this door. Name this. And then you name this door script. Then you put the script in. I hope I did this correctly. If not, I'll just show you the one that I have. Oh, wow. I didn't mean to do that. What did I do? Okay, let me fix this by pressing play instead. I have no idea what I did. Okay, my game's officially not letting me do it. Guys. Oh, this is not good. My game's broken. I'll be right back after this. Okay, we're back, guys, and I fixed it. Okay, so let's test out this door. Oh, and that's one thing you need to make sure you do. You need to make sure to add the click detectors to both of the doors. You need to make sure to have the click detector or it will not, and I repeat, not work. You need the click detectors on either the door or the hinge. As you can see, it's currently not working. So, yeah, I've done something wrong. So, looking through this, you can see this is how it's all laid out. Also, this is just random loads, which I don't know why I have on that model, on the model. But just to let you know, this is the script you need. So I guess I did something wrong. And the thing is, I have no idea what that was. So I will find out eventually. But just to let you know, this is what it has to look like. In the model, it has to look like this. It looks like this. Let me just close this up. But this is what it will have to look like. You have to have the door script here. The door script will be here. The handle will be here. The click detectors. Then this handle will have the click detector, and then this, then the hinge, and then the union. I don't know what I did wrong with this one. I guess something's wrong with the frame or something. Maybe it's just because I need to add some stuff that I haven't added yet. I'm not sure. Just slight issues. Technical difficulties. And I think one reason I'm having technical difficulties is maybe because of the hinge. And also, it's because I didn't... Oh, now I know. The reason it wasn't working is because I didn't add the root part. Yep, I didn't add a root part. So you gotta make sure you add a root part. So now I have the one thing. Okay, give me one moment. Okay guys, I'm back. I just had a slight issue for a second. Okay, back to what we were doing. Primary part and set it to hinge. I think I actually just messed something up by putting something in the wrong place. Sorry, this is my first time doing a tutorial. I'm not good at it. And there you go. You have your own door in Roblox Studio. Of course, this isn't the best door because I put the hinges on the wrong side first of all. So I could just move them over here and then color some stuff. But there you go. That's how you make a door on Roblox. Okay, guys. That's basically it for the tutorial. See you guys later. Bye. Sorry. Why did I say bye? Okay, but see you guys later. Bye.